Eniter. Eniter has a plant of more than 13 square meters in Valencia, equipped with the most cutting-edge technology on the market in printing, lamination, and packaging confection. A well-designed packaging makes a difference that conditions the sales success of the product. As part of the value-added service to the client, the studio analyzes the information in the design and proposes improvements to achieve an excellent, attractive, error-free print quality, also in format, size, and presentation. With a current and innovative spirit, according to the latest market trends. At Eniter, it generates hundreds of products designed to support a sustainable and circular economy. A whole group of packaging products that achieves stardom thanks to their qualities that make a circular and sustainable economy possible from an environmental and economic point of view, with the best design and excellent functionality. Eniter, quality and technology that looks to the future.